In this review, ORRENTE remote control car, 2.4 GHz RC cars for boys. With attractive appearance and flexible operation, here's the cool RC hobby car toy gift for boys and girls. Double sides can be driven with 360-degree tumbling. All of you can enjoy the thrill with this super fast remote control monster truck. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Reviewfindly present ORRENTE remote control car. Let's get started. More than 64025-star reviews praise the ORRENTE remote control car for its portability. Equipped with two 3.7V 500 mAh chargeable batteries for remote control truck, supporting this RC cars for boys playing about 22 mins for each battery. And included two 1.5 VAA batteries for RC controller, making this racing RC vehicle ready to run when you receive 2.4 GHz RC racing car. Suitable for different terrains. The remote controlled car for kids has solid body which brings the car favorable conditions for climbing. You can easily play this stunt hobby toy car on the beach, grass, rock and mountain road. Nothing to worry, just go on and enjoy the excitement. Off-road remote controlled truck. Double sides can be driven, it will even drive when it's upside down. You can enjoy the fun for this remote control vehicle with 360 degrees flipping. Equipped with 4 off-road anti-shock race tires, the RC cars for kids will be more durable. Cool racing speed race car. With dual powerful motors, this remote control truck for boys is as fast as a real racing car. It is also flexible for driving forward or backward, turning left or right without getting stuck in tough environment. Your child must enjoy the thrill of this racing RC car. Durable anti-skid tires. Equipped with high toughness and high grip tires to provide this RC climbing car strong road grip ability, making it be the fast outdoor remote control truck, fitting for indoor and outdoor play, no matter land, sand, grass, pavement and so on. Strong dual motors. The RC monster truck with 2 powerful motors generates nice horsepower, which allows the RC cars for kids to run at max.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.